Now there she is coming, the old British railway, actually laid off by the Indians and the contract workers. Yeah, there she is coming. The headlights can light up to 80 meters in front of it. This is the current state of the railway station at Kibos. The train is arriving at exactly 6:45. That is around 6:45 in the evening for those who are off work, those who want to go to Nakuru, Nairobi. You have about 12 hours on the road now. And then I quickly boarded. I could not record that part because roughly we have 5 minutes to be in, and there are a lot of passengers, as you could see. Once again, I'm from filming actually. Look at train. I don't know if I can access the other end. I hope you could see. Now in this part, the train was gaining torque, leaving Kibos railway station. Me settling in to edit a few videos that I had shot, because I know roughly it will take me almost an hour to get to Miwani. Too bad the coach attendant this time round sent me to a bit crowded coach, saying that coach you could not sit alone. I asked why. He never responded. Maybe it's just part of the business. Allow me the coach in my computer. There was confusion that day about the fare increment. Most passengers were not aware because the fare prices had been increased. Like to Miwani it was 50 shillings, now 80, but there was some coach attendant who was saying 130. Me, I stick to the price I usually paid, 50 shillings. So I did not pay that 80, but later on they sent me the prompt. It's still there. The message is still there. I can still pay it. I don't know why they did it like that, but somebody paid for me cash. I'll show you the message. At this point, after the exchange about the fare increment, we arrived at Miwani station. There are a lot of passengers waiting to get on board, so we had very limited time to get off and let them get in at the same time. This is the old lady I was talking about. I feel there's something that should be done about the ramps, if possible.
Nataka kupewa nyingine. Kwa polisi. Mimi aliniambia firefighter. Mali jamaa kwa polisi.
had already got off the train and helped the old lady off too, and now the other passengers were boarding on off to the next station. I don't know if it's Kilgoris or Chemendil, and then said to Nakuru Njoro, bye bye train. Look at how big the coach is. It's about 18 coaches. That's good money for the government, but a lot needs to be done still for the railway to be fully operational.